Synopsis, go.
The thingy was broke, so we had to switch the thingy with another thingy, and then when we went to do that, we had to take this thingy off, and then something else, a different thingy broke, and then we needed a thingy to do the thingy, and yeah.
What is up, everybody? We are back at it again with another episode of Teaching Desiree Things.
Stuffs and things and stuff.
Stuffs and things and things and stuff. And today we are going to be working on the fit. Recently, we started hearing some weird noises and it disappeared. So we're like, cool, the car fixed itself. Because you know how car people are. They're just like, yeah, it went away, it'll be fine. And then we went to stop one day and it sounded like we were dragging a metal panel across the street. And we're pretty sure that noise we heard was a pad falling out. So we've been driving this car for about 3 weeks, maybe, with just straight metal on metal. So I'm kind of curious to see what it's going to look like. But anyways, today we're going to be teaching Desiree how to change her own oil.
No, we've already done that.
Just kidding. I don't know why I said that. Today we're going to be teaching Desiree how to change her own brakes. I don't know why I said oil. And we're doing the whole thing. We're doing rotors, we're doing calipers, we're doing drums, and we're doing shoes, and all the sorts of stuff like that. So, are you ready for this one? This one's gonna...
Yeah, I think. I don't know.
I think you got it. It's not that hard. Just take parts off, put part back on.
Isn't that the whole concept of working on your car?
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Let's do this.
Definitely need a 3-ton one for sure.
Dude, this is a heavy car.
So heavy. Close enough. Oh my god, my arms are so sore still.
Why are you doing it laying down?
I don't know.
You should work. Alright, now you got 3 more to do.
My hand already hurts.
How?
Because I got the weak noodle arms.
Don't think I've ever had this issue before, but so you can tell these are brand new, so I don't know how this happened. Frustrating.
So like... Kick it?
Yeah, kick it.
Like, what do you mean kick it?
Kick it.
The bottom?
The rubber. Kick the rubber. Like you mean it. Like you're mad at it. Kick it like you mean it.
I'm sorry.
There you go.
Hold on. Thumbs up. Thank God my nails aren't done. Ew, look how sweaty I am already. Don't do that.
All right, so now that we got all this stuff done, since you're replacing all of it,
Yeah.
Basically, if you look back here, there is a bolt up here and a bolt down here. That bolt, yep, and that bolt. We're gonna take that off and move it to the side.
Oh, that stays connected?
Yep.
Okay.
Actually, it's these bolts. I'm sorry, I misled you.
Oh. Just this one?
Both of them. There's one below it too.
And down here?
Yep. So this bolt here and this bolt
This
here.
one?
Yep.
Okay.
We might have to take it off separately because this is 2 pieces. That bolt right here is for this bracket.
Uh-huh.
And then
I
this bolt is for the caliper itself. It may come off in one piece, or we might have to remove them separately. We'll see.
So start with these two.
Yeah, start with the 2 big ones here.
That one and down here.
We'll rotate it out to the left. That way you have more room.
Uh-huh.
And then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Nice thing about replacing just the whole thing is you don't have to worry about anything. Just the whole thing's coming off.
Okay.
This is going to be new, and this is going to be new. The only thing that's not going to be new is this.
Okay.
So.
This way then.
Yep.
Bro. I don't know if I can get this.
You can't get this off because it is going this way, right? What you can do is take a hammer.
Hit the shit out of it.
Yep, and
Oh, okay.
see? And
Yeah.
then, see how it's come loose?
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll let you do that.
I'm scared I'm gonna hit my hand.
Hold your hand.
Yeah, well,
Yep.
I can't do this with my left hand though.
There's no such thing as can't. You can hold. You're right. Hold it right there. Yep, hold it up there. There you go.
Dude. I did it.
There you go. Yep, look at the pad. That's the one that's probably giving you a lot of noise.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's
So what you can kind of do here is hook it up
there.
somewhere. Don't matter.
there.
Yep. That'll work.
Cool.
And then we'll focus on this here.
Okay. Look, guys. So crazy. Ta-da!
There you go. Perfect.
Look what I did, y'all.
She did it. The only thing she didn't do is this. I kind of was trying
That
to.
looks terrifying.
I was trying to show her how to do this, but basically these little lead studs that go into here. This is like an impact screw. You get it to lock in place and you have to put pressure on it. And then basically you smash it until it breaks loose with a mallet. So then once I did that, I kind of went on autopilot.
You did.
But-
I was like, oh, okay, you're just going to continue? All right.
I'm sorry. There, that was the easy part right there.
All right, now what?
So before you put the new ones on, you got to wipe them down. But let's pull these out, verify. So all the oil that's on it, that all has to be wiped off. Because if it's not, then you're going to get that all over the pads. And then you're going to have a problem when you go to try to stop.
Well, why do they do that?
So it doesn't rust during shipping.
Yeah, probably.
But basically, you just put that back on.
Whoa!
It's crazy!
Wild! The big holes, right?
Yep. Only goes on one way. Perfect.
Wow!
Yep. And there you go. There's your new one. So now we're going to do this part right here, which is in one of those. Now, open them up. We got to make sure there's a left side and a right side. I don't know if they're numbered on the box. I don't know. It says L. What does the other box say?
L. This one says L.
This is L too. Was it 2796, 2797?
This one's 97.
Okay. We're just gonna.
Cancer and reproductive harm.
Don't lick it.
Don't lick it.
So just open it up. It doesn't matter. Just open that one since it's up already, and we'll verify. And I'll show you how to tell which one's the right one and which one's the wrong one.
Oh, that's a 7.
Okay. So when you're putting this on, imagine mounting this to this, so it would go upright like that.
Okay.
So.
This is actually the right one.
Yes. So you see the bleeding nipple? You want this to be upwards.
Mm-hmm.
That way it actually can bleed the air out. If this is facing down, you have it on the wrong side. And then it will never bleed and you'll never have brake pressure.
Oh.
So if they're never marked and you just don't know, always make sure the bleeder valve is facing up.
Nipples up, y'all.
Nipples up. There's the bolt.
Wait, this one?
Yep,
Right
you're
here?
right. Yep. Here's another bolt. Get out the way. Okay, now we're on to the rears, which looks like they're gonna be just as fun. So I'm gonna try to pry this loose for her, and then we'll work on the insides and the internals. But the front looks good.
They do.
Front looks mighty good.
That front does.
Yeah, and you did it all.
Could I do it again without you? No, but
We're about to find out when you do the other side.
well,
We'll let you do the whole thing.
you might still have to talk me through it.
Well, yeah,
But
I'll help you out.
I'm good at understanding of the fronts, so.
Yeah.
I'm
So let's get this done.
curious about this one.
You know how lucky that is?
Does it do it? Hey.
So now you can kind of see what I was talking about with all the springs and wires and stuff.
Mhm.
How it's a little more complicated.
Oh shit!
Yep.
I see what we're replacing. Oh
Yeah, we're
yikes!
replacing these and this and all this stuff behind
Hopefully.
it.
Mhm.
These are probably maybe on a second set. They normally don't go bad, but since we're here, we might as well just replace with everything. And, you know,
Get it all.
get it all, start from fresh since you're gonna have this car that runs to the ground pretty much.
Mhm.
All right, so I kind of just went ahead and started doing this. I know you can do this, but it's also like a little more more advanced. You speak for yourself.
My brain doesn't work this way. Like, this is too many components. And remembering where to put them. I can't do that.
I mean,
At least I could, but like, I think I want to watch it at least.
yeah, maybe like I do this side and she tries the other side.
Yeah. So, look at that.
Fresh Drummond shoes. Looking good.
She clean.
Yeah, now I just got to do the other two sides and we'll be done. Okay, now we're on the other side and we're gonna have her do the entire thing from start to finish. Maybe.
Yeah, we'll see.
The only thing I'm gonna do is we did need a lug stud because that one broke. So we got a new one here and I'm gonna try to replace this without pulling the hub off. Hopefully we can do that because if not, that's gonna suck. She's gonna do everything else until we get to that point there. So.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. God, this is a big boy, man. I don't know what to do with all this. Hell yeah, bitch.
There you go. There you go. So now we're gonna make sure that this is the right size, which it looks like it is. So now we're gonna figure out how to replace this.
Hey. We went to take the lug off because the lug was broken, and in order to press new ones in, we had to take the spindle off. Taking the spindle off broke the bearing. To take the bearing out, we had to take the speed sensor, ABS sensor out, which also broke. So in order to replace a $5 part, we wound up spending $190, almost $200 to get this all fixed. So now that that's fixed, she can continue changing her brakes. And just to let you know, this has been like 3 days because we had to order this part specialty because we had to order it from Honda and it took forever to get here. And surprisingly, weirdly enough, the area we live in didn't have that many wheel bearings for a Honda Fit, which was odd. So they had plenty of lugs. You can get those anywhere, but the wheel bearing was hard to find. But now that's all done, we can get back to putting the brakes on. Perfect. I forgot everything. I don't even know where to begin. Go on. Smells good.
What?
What? I would never snort it like that. Jesus, I'm not like that anymore. Just kidding. I was never like that. Disclaimer. Baby. Take two. Just like that.
Yep.
That easy. Awkward for me. I don't know why. I think because I can move it. Stop doing that, Desiree. Stop doing that. Uh-oh. Here. I know what I'm doing. Right there?
Mm-hmm. That'd be good. Ah, you did it.
Ish.
I mean, you did pretty much all of it. So does it feel?
I mean, pretty good. Now that I'm not going to hear screeching. Sabine.
It's like I'm ready for a cart ride. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna finish the back half. Dad says she's not really comfortable doing it, so we'll finish the back half and then we'll bleed the brakes and we'll be done. Finally. What? I just said you weren't really comfortable with doing the back.
Dude, no, it looks like a puzzle that I can't solve.
You can. You can do anything you want to.
Whatever you say.
Now that it's on the ground and stuff like that, this is Des' first time ever doing brakes and stuff like that. And honestly, we drove around the block. Nothing fell off. So she did a pretty awesome job. And I cannot wait to teach her more things. And if she was here, once again, she disappeared. If you like these videos of Des working on her own stuff and stuff like that, let me know in the comments, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a whole series with this. I really do enjoy teaching her new things. She really wants to learn how to do all this stuff and prepare herself best she can for when, if and when she starts to track her fit or Miata and stuff like that. And it also helps me trackside during the pits. When I need an extra hand, she can be there and give me an assistance. And plus, we always like to see more women in motorsports and doing stuff like that, and I truly greatly appreciate the quality time. But anyways, guys, I really appreciate all the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys following me. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified when I post more videos. I'm going to try to keep you guys updated in everything that's going on. If you're guys interested in any products that I have, from AWR motor mounts to Spike Performance hood vents and louvers and apparel that I have by them, I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you're interested in Track Dog Racing Supercharger kit, I'll leave a link in the description below. Give them a call. They're great people. Anyways, guys, I really appreciate it. Once again, you guys mean a lot. And as always, I will see you at the track. Deuces.